Welcome back, fellas and fellettes. You're here to join me for the restoration of the 1988 K5 Blazer square body. You're in the right place. So this video, we're gonna kind of get the front end put back together. We're gonna do some interior work and just a little bit of everything, some body work. So thanks for joining. Let's get to the action. This out of the little stash of parts I got over there. I'm gonna clean it up real nice. Maybe give it a little light coat of paint. Hit her with the hose. Hit it with the prep ball. Satin black paint on there. Voila, redneck rebuild. It's like brand new. Yeah, I was really lucky to get this really rusted out bucket of crap because every single thing I work on has got at least one rusted bolt that you can't get off. So it just makes the whole project very interesting. Wouldn't want it any other way. These two screws right here from like water and dirt and stuff falling in there, completely rusted out. Can't get them out right. So that was completely easy and nothing unexpected happened there. Nothing unexpected happened. We definitely didn't have to, almost break the door panel to take it off. Door panel's off. We're gonna start prepping it for paint and shoot it satin black. I'm gonna get the other side off real quick. In case something that did not happen to me happens to you, and you can't get these top bolts out, or the bolts in the handle here. If you get these bottom ones out, flex it up, it might put a little crease in your door card. But if you get to these two bolts right here, it is a 7/16, and then you don't have to take those screws off inside there. All right, I did get that fixed. I got it off of the door card and back on the door where it belongs. Decided I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some prep balls too. I got it as clean as I'm gonna work for it. I'm gonna go ahead and slap some paint on it. I did check this paint on it. It does say it is good for plastic, so. All right, time for coat number 3. Eventually we'll get back in here and replace these seals. And first, put it over the lock. I'll snap it down in place. I think we're just gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna put those back in. We're gonna come back in here. What do we think about the black? You like it or not? Alright, let's see what she looks like now. What do we think? What do we think? It definitely looks cleaner still, so. I got this on Amazon. I remember a YouTuber mentioning it in one of his videos, and I thought I would try it out. I just imagine this vehicle being noisy, period. So we're gonna put this stuff all on the floor, all on the, the cargo area, bed floor, whatever you wanna call it. And probably gonna put some on the roof too. So, and then we're gonna use some prep ball, clean it up real good. Then you remove the sticky back, place it where you want it. Got this side done. Holes here and holes here for the old mounting for the seats. And then there's some like little pieces over here I gotta fill in, but I'm just gonna put all the solid pieces, like single pieces I can in. And then when I have to cut them, I'll cut them. I got 36 square foot. I was thinking that would be enough for you know, this whole truck. We're gonna see how far we get and I'll buy more. I like this stuff a lot. All right, there's that. Almost had enough to finish this floor. 36 square foot did this right here, and I used, I mean, practically every chunk I could. And in the end, I was using the little scraps I had left to fill in spots and stuff like that. All right, the interior is going to be black and gray, just like the the exterior of the vehicle. So we're going to do some painting, cleaning and painting of our seat braces, seat brackets, and center console and stuff like that. We're going to do this with a little bit of YouTube magic, though. Voila, they're black. YouTube magic. Disclaimer. I never said that the way I do things is right, and nor will I ever say that I'm doing things right. I'm doing them how I think I should do them. These videos, this channel, this truck, and that Cadillac, LS swap Cadillac, these are just, this is like my little thing. We're learning together. You know, I've done a little bit of stuff here and there, but we're learning how to do stuff together. And I'm learning by just getting my hands dirty and my feet wet, just jumping in and trying stuff. Can't be mad at me for that. That's all we're gonna do for this video. Soon, next video, hopefully we'll have more exhaust put on, carpet put in, more interior done, and we'll just keep going down the line. My goal is to have this baby up and running and going down the road by springtime. So thanks for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give me a like, comment, come tell me how I'm doing everything wrong. I'd love to argue with you. All right, peace. Wait, before you go, check out what's coming next video. Here's a little sneak preview.